Hello you gorgeous people over the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. Today I'm very excited to share with you the bunny. The year of the rabbit bunny fiesta continues with this cute little BALLY bargain bunny bag. Things are starting to heat up a little bit here. I've just moved around my room because I was a bit cramped in the corner in front of my beautiful bags, shelves of dreams, and I've just had a fan running. It's just probably just off camera there. Probably need to move this a little bit so you can't see it. Hashtag professionalism. Yes, so I came home empty-handed from Harrods. Boo-hoo. I was probably much more likely to buy something in Harrods had the lion been with me, and you've all voted for him to go with me the next time, and I shall take him with me the next time. But despite that, and despite my recent Loewe kind of win fail...
Gin?
Thank you, my darling. This is why I keep you around. Yay. Cheers, people. Where was I? Yes, so despite my my purchase-free trip to Harrods and my subsequent order of the Loewe bag that I shared in my live, that went back, bag perfect, absolutely gorgeous, colour not for me, I have been successful in securing a cute little bag from BALLY that I've had my eye on for a little while. It went in a sale, so I did not pay full price for it because I did think full price was a little bit and I will just get into it, just show you this. Or should I tease you? Hello, if you are new to my channel, then I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, go ahead, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the... I've got matte lipstick on again. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Although I have been very quiet on Instagram lately because I have had no time. No time for the socials, sadly. I had my eye on this for a while. I didn't like the full price. Luckily, BALLY goes in the sale. So what I had my eye on is this cute, oh, it's a cute little top handle. Yes, it's a little toty tote. It's a cute, oh dear, oh, there we go. That's quite sturdy, that string on the dust bag. And we have this really cute little kind of canvas bag with a little double top handle, and this is a tiny little tote. Give her a little Autumn Beckman spin. Play the music. Double top handle here. We've got some leather accents on the chaps and the side because yes, there is a detachable crossbody strap. But the reason I wanted this bag, and I have looked at these particular tote bags at BALLY before, but when it became Year of the Rabbit and they did this special edition, can you see a little bunny? Can you see a little bunny? I'll do a proper little cutaway so you can see him so he's not so blurry in the viewfinder. There's a little pink bunny. Little pink bunny. Got a little bit green, a little bit green, a little bit pink. A lot of pink, a little bit green, a little bit yellow. He's really, really cute. He doesn't look very happy though. I don't know why. Looks concerned. Looks concerned. So I've been looking at these bags for a little while on the BALLY website. And for the usual bag, you know, the biggest size of this, it was about $3.50 or whatever it was. This one was in at about $3.75, I think, full price. I will have the details linked below and maybe popped up on the screen if I'm feeling frisky in the edit. But this one with the embroidery, with the bunny embroidery, which is kind of the only thing I can see that makes it Year of the Rabbit and a little bit different, I don't know why I said it like that, but I did, is the bunny. Yeah, that's the only thing. And for that, the retail price went yeah, I didn't want to pay it. But this went in the sale. It went in the sale at £222, which pleased me greatly. So I ordered it straight away. As soon as I saw it, I ordered it. I was like, yeah, I'm having it. I'm having it for that price. Not paying the higher price, but I'm having it for that price. Do apologise if you can hear beeping in the background. That is my work chat. I have finished work. This is legit. This is, I mean, I don't drink gin during work hours. It's 6:20. I'm filming this after work. I finish at 5. I'm supposed to finish at 5. I digress. It's been hectic. I like the look of the Fendi Sunshine Shopper mini tote, the teeny tiny little mini tote, but I don't like the price of it. I didn't want to pay for it because I am, generally speaking, not your northeast, north-south kind of bag kind of girl. I'm much more of your east-west, where I can lay things down and I can get to them easily rather than having them standing up and falling over and then having to rummage around right in the bottom there when it's only full to there. So didn't want to spend the big bucks on the Fendi, and I really wasn't interested in the Louis Vuitton mini sac plait either. It just didn't appeal to me at all, that one. But I wanted to try a bag this style, and so that's why I have my eye on the BALLY. And this one is just perfect. So light cream coloured kind of canvas with the grey leather accents. We've got a little bit of hardware on here. It's silver hardware, which also pleased me greatly. If you know BALLY, you'll know that this red and white stripe is a kind of a motif for them. Call it webbing, like the Gucci green and red webbing. And so that tab is in there as well. There's no feet, there's no pockets. It is just one big open space. I have got this in here at the moment, so we'll come to that in a second. There is a tab here that says BALLY. There is a tab in here, little grey leather tab as well, which says just stuff. So I don't know what it actually says, it's just letters, so it's probably some sort of product code in there. And otherwise it is a just an open space, just a canvas kind of open space. And it does have this closure, this magnetic closure, which at first I thought, oh, that's a bit weak. And then I gave it a little squidge here like this, and the magnet closed no problemo. Now, I'm not going to do a what fits or anything like that, because you can see the size of it is actually pretty generous, especially when you compare it to the Fendi and Louis Vuitton alternatives. I have used this once. I used this when the Lion and I went out to do a couple of whatchamacallums errands, and then we popped into a local pub for some pub grub, and I used it then. And what I did find was, because I was using my keys to lock up the house and I was going straight to the car and I was driving, I didn't have the time to tuck my keys away back into my Louis Vuitton clay. I had the keys out loose. I've got a whole video about keeping my keys loose and it damaging and scratching up the insides of my luxury bags. But on this one time, I will have that link below, but in this one time I thought, just gotta go. And my keys got stuck to the magnet. So it is pretty good. Even though it is completely leather covered, you'd think that would have an impact. But yeah, I'm really delighted to have this cute little bunny edition in my stable, if you like. I have got a couple of tan coloured bags, really beigey bags, but this is the closest thing I've got to white. I am still in the market for a chalky white. I do like Coach chalk white. I think that's a great colour white. So this is not the only one, but this is a great, very casual, very summery one in my view. A lot of my bags I am happy to wear with jeans, and I'm happy to wear dressed up, and I think they work for all of those kind of occasions. This one is not a dressy bag by any stretch. This is a cute little grab and go. We're off, we're going to go and do some errands. and top handle and crossbody strap. Now I have tried the crossbody strap on, and it is a little bit too short for me, and given that this is a north-south bag, it is narrow. So where it clips on here and it goes around your body, and I will include some mod shots, it's not here, so it sits nicely. It's here, so it's pulled right up, so it's not quite long enough for me to wear crossbody. However, they have been very generous. It's on the longest setting at the moment. There's only 5 holes there, but there's all of this extra here. So I'm just going to get another hole punched in a bit further down, a few more holes punched in, no problem. I think it'll be much better, much easier for me to wear crossbody there without these bopping into the underside, as Cassie would say, under the left titty moment. Love the colours of this, love the shape of it, love the price of it. I will have it linked down below. I believe it is still available in the sale. Go and check out the other things in the sale, because there's some really quite cool stuff there. Just stuff that I'm not in the market for. That's my little Bally bunny bag. What do you think? Happy, happy, happy. You could say I'm a happy bunny. Seriously, Gwenny, that was a terrible joke. You should be ashamed of yourself. That's 3 luxury bunny things I have now. I've got my Gucci bunny t-shirt, I've got my Louis Vuitton bunny bag charm, and I've got my Bally bunny bargain bag. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye. It is getting too warm for this. I'm gonna have to open the window again, stick the fan on. The boy did good.